Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is marketed as a cutting-edge recreational vehicle (RV) that runs entirely on electricity. Aerodynamic and futuristic, the sleek, contemporary external design was created with aerodynamic efficiency in mind. A strong, futuristic appearance is produced by the ultra-slim LED lighting at the front and back, smooth surfaces, and sharp lines. The roof has cutting-edge solar panels to help power auxiliary equipment and increase off-grid camping capabilities in addition to acting as a protective cover. Drivetrain: the dual-motor all-wheel drive AWD system powers the RV. Inside, using premium materials, the inside is designed to mimic a luxurious hotel suite. With an L-shaped sofa that can be made into a bed, the living room can be used as a workspace or an eating area. An induction cooktop, a convection microwave oven, a silent electric refrigerator, and a smart faucet that can deliver hot, cold, and sparkling water are all features of the functional kitchen. A double bed and storage beneath the bed are features of the smart bedroom. There's also a smart closet and a climate control system. A 21-inch touchscreen running the BYD Next OS and a curved dashboard give the cockpit a futuristic appearance. The car has technologies including a rear-view camera, augmented reality real-time navigation, and a heads-up display. Control system voice commands, gesture control, and even facial recognition can be used to operate the car. Safety and driver assistance: a 360-degree camera, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and other cutting-edge safety systems are all included in this RV. This motorhome's large capacity battery allows it to travel between 500 and 800 kilometers on a single charge. It makes use of BYD's in-house blade battery technology, which is well known for its high energy density, longevity, and safety, thanks to its ultra-fast DC fast charging capability. The battery can be charged from 10% to 80%.